Starting a private practice or coaching business can feel overwhelming. But if you're rooted in solution-focused therapy, you already have something powerful. A mindset built around clarity, collaboration, and movement. And that mindset isn't just for your clients. It's for your business too. Start with your preferred future. Ask yourself the same kind of questions you'd ask a client. What would success look like a year from now? What would I be doing more of? What tells me I'm already on the path? Then get specific. Who do you want to serve? What problems do you help solve? Or better yet, what futures do you help create? Whether you're focusing on teens, couples, leaders, or creatives, clarity matters. SFT reminds us to define goals in simple, actionable language. Do the same in your marketing. I help people move forward faster. I help clients get unstuck without digging into the past. I help teams shift from problems to possibilities. Let people know what they can expect from working with you. Now let's talk about your structure. Private practice can mean one-on-one sessions, groups, workshops, or coaching programs. SFT is flexible, so your business can be too. Decide how you want to deliver value. Do you want to offer brief, high-impact sessions? Do you prefer packages that include email check-ins or journaling prompts? Would a group format allow clients to witness each other's progress? Keep it simple, but intentional. And remember, client fit matters. In SFT, we check in with clients often. What's been useful so far? Is this working for you? Do the same in your business. Invite feedback, adjust your offer, stay attuned. Your pricing should reflect your impact, not your doubt. You're not just offering time, you're offering clarity, movement, and meaningful change. Don't undervalue that. As you build, use SFT's core tools on yourself. Use scaling. On a scale of 0 to 10, how confident do I feel about my business today? What's helped me move up from last week? What small step would move me further? Use compliments. You made a brave decision to go solo. You've already created something real. You showed up today. In marketing, stay aligned with SFT's tone. Hopeful, respectful, concise. Use client language, not clinical jargon. And most of all, reflect your values. You don't need to be flashy, you need to be clear. Finally, think about your support system. SFT doesn't believe in doing things alone. Find community, supervision groups, business coaches, peer networks. Ask yourself, who helps me stay focused? Who believes in this work like I do? Because this isn't just about business. It's about sustainability. It's about building a practice that supports you as much as it supports your clients. One that reflects your belief that people don't need to be fixed. They need to be seen. And that includes you. Your SFT-based business is an extension of your values. Build it with intention. Refine it with feedback. And let it evolve, just like every good session. Because every great practice starts with one question. What would a better version of this look like? Then you build it.